Boy, after this thumbnail, I don't know, you'll really need an explanation on this one. Said zip tie, O-ring, wire, done. This works great. You can pull off exactly how much you need. You can put it back just the same way. Don't have to change anything. You never have to find the hole to put the wire back through. You never have to have it unspool on you so that you have to rewind it. You never have to have this again. This one I like. I think this is my favorite. When you pull off a whole bunch of the wire you needed and then you find out it's crossed inward for a ways. That's always fun. So to save lots of time and make your life a lot easier, an O-ring, appropriately sized O-ring for whatever your wire gauge is, and a zip tie will save you a lot of time. This one is being used on here. This one would work well for this mess. Next, tension on these is important on the actual 1/4 inch zip tie, because you have all kinds of goofy inserts in here. This one slips right around that with ease like it's round. You don't even know it's there. It's all about how tight you're going to do it. This one obviously would be good. But then we have some changes. There are lots of different variations out there on the market. We have this one that's keyed. And you can do several things if you want. Because there's so much wire on here, it would be a good idea to just fill it. So either you're going to put a washer on the outside of here that you can put the zip tie through, or you're going to put a little block of wood in there and glue that in, or maybe you put a dowel in there and drill a hole through it. Whatever it is, chances are the bigger spools like this probably have 250 or 500 feet of wire, and you're probably going to use it for a long time. So why not make your life easy and spend a couple minutes to save a lot of time in the end by the time that roll is history. And again, if you pull it around, it just keeps following. It still does work this way. Then you have this one too. Wire. Now that'll probably wreak havoc on your O-rings. Although there's one here, if I wanted to use it, I don't think I will. I like the zip tie method for wire much better. This one started out this way, but I don't really like it. I don't think it's going to last, so I decided to just go with the zip tie. And all you have to do here is just tighten it just enough so that you're still happy with how it works. That's it. If it's too loose, wire like this is tensioned like a spring, and it'll rip right through here and spin around circles on the table for about 2 days while it uncoils to the size of a basketball, and then you're like, what just happened? You guys let me know what you think. Take care.